Come test drive the 2016 GLA. The Mercedes GLA-Class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.